Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa.
Hello.
Come. 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 Come, Papa, come. Come. Go on. Go on. He's gonna carry the other one to you. Oops! Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Carry the shoes with you. Take the shoes with you. Come! Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And excuse my tired, beat face. But we're back to normal routine, and today is Tyler's doctor visit. He have a shot to get today, so we're at the doctor's with him. There he goes. Come, Papa. So he's about to get a shot. He have no idea because he's so happy, and this is where I hate the most because I hate to see him cry. I guess it's every parent's nightmare when their kid is to get a shot. But yeah, he's gonna get a shot today. Look at him, this little cutie's about to get a shot. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say hello. Hello. He's just walking up a storm these days, non-stopping. Come, Papa. Come on. Tyler just got his shot. He cried for the moment, but he's over it now. There he is. You alright, Papa? You okay? Why are you eating that? Why are you eating this little bad boy? Give it to me. No. Listen, every time I roll this thing up, the thing for the window. Every time I roll it up, Tyler finds some way of Tyler finds some way of pulling it down and play with it. You see your face? You see your face? And he's gonna eat it. I'm going to have to figure out something to either take it down or let him do it out. I don't know. Or buy the one that doesn't roll down but just stick. But he looks tired. I think his body's still in USA time. So he's he actually
But if you look, yesterday he slept most of the day. He slept a lot yesterday.
He did, because he was so jet lagged. He was so tired. Yeah. Aww. He's so tired. Look at him. And we had to wake up early this morning because his doctor appointment was 10 a.m. And it would have been what time in USA, babe?
3.
Hi. Cause you're rubbing the thing all over your face. Would have been 3 a.m. Man, it would have been 3 a.m. in USA at his doctor's appointment this morning at 10 a.m. here in France. Okay. So his body is still mostly in USA time, but Our lives must go back to normal, so we have to get what we have to get done. What is this, babe? This looks new. Oh no, it's a flower shop.
It's flower shop. It's around 6.
So yeah, I also need to go and pick up my laptop today. I really hope to God that I get my laptop back, because there's so many vlogs to go up and to edit, and I'm not at mommy anymore, so I can't edit what I need to edit. So I really need to get my laptop. I hope to get it fixed, or just give me a new one already. So we went there this morning, but we went too early, so babe didn't get it. Baby haven't said hi from morning.
Beep.
He said beep. So Tyler got his shot. He cried for the moment. That's over with. He's there chilling with his passy now. We're heading to the supermarket because of course we came back to an empty fridge, so we need to get our stock. So we're heading to the supermarket to get some stuff, and then
Sleep.
he so want to sleep. He couldn't sleep last night at all.
Couldn't sleep. I have to wake up. I watch the football game and went back to sleep. Maybe fall asleep about 6 something a.m. in order to wake up at 7 something a.m. just 1 hour before. That's life. And tomorrow go back to work.
Yep, he have work tomorrow morning. But surprisingly, Tyler
managed well.
Tyler managed really, really well. At first, he was crying and he didn't want me to put him down. I guess maybe because in USA he slept with us for the 3 weeks, so he kind of get back attached to mommy and daddy's smell. So I guess he didn't want to leave me and his dad, because when I put him in our bed he fall asleep, but as soon as I take him to his room he would wake up, start crying. And I sent his dad to pick him up at one point last night, and then when he came to me he just fall asleep right away. And then I said, alright, I am going to bring him back to his bed, and if he wakes up I am not going to pick him up, and I'm going to tell his dad don't pick him up. And we just stayed there in the bed and hear him wake up like 5 minutes after I put him down, and Tyler started crying. Oh, the sun. And I said to babe, don't pick him up. And we laid there and see how long he would cry for before he fall back asleep. Oh, we're going now, okay? He cried for like 5 minutes. It's like when I was sleep training him, go back to that moment. Look how my face fat. For the 3 weeks I just eat, and look how my face fat. So he cried and he went back to sleep, and at one point in the cry he just paused and says, Papa. I died. He was just crying, and in the middle of crying Tyler said, Papa, and stopped back crying. He was like, Papa, are you coming to get me or what? So we're now at the supermarket. We're going to just run in and get some stuff, and Tyler looked pretty tired, so I'm gonna go back home and get him, put him down for a nap, and yeah, get him on with our day. So we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, see? Yeah, Papa. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, you guys, you're supposed to know that he jumped off. I got Tyler this horse for his birthday because he's always doing his head like he's riding a horse. But when he got the horse, he hated it and he wouldn't go on. But babe just put him on it and he's loving it. Go, Papa. You ride the horsey. Yes. You ride the horsey. You want to go up on the horsey? Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa. Go, Papa. Go, Papa. Yeah, Papa. Oh my God. I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Oh my God. I'm excited. I'm so proud of you. But you can't do it all by yourself, Tyler.
He was holding it, but he's still in stress for now.
No, Papa, you can't go up all by yourself.
Allez.
Oh, Papa! Yeah, yeah, ride, ride, Papa, ride, ride, Papa, ride. Yeah, 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 Papa, yeah, Papa. Proud of you. Oh, you're riding your gift. You like it now, huh? Ride, Papa, ride. Ride, Papa. Ride, Papa. Ride, Papa. Oh, good Tyler. Yay. Yeah, but you can't go on it yourself, love. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's not gonna stop now. You're not gonna stop now. You know that, right? He's not gonna stop now, honey.